IANC ithi ayikagungqi kuluvo lwayo lokuba kuhlangulwe inkonzo yeli yezophapho etsala nzima ngokwasezimalini. Lombutho ubuphefumla kwiintetha zosihlalo walombutho uMnumzana Gwede Mantashe ngempela-veki nalapho ethe mayithengiswe Lenkonzo yezophapho xa ingenzi ngeniso. Namhlanje imbumba ye-ANC, SABC neCOSATU ibambe intlanganiso eluthuli House kwavunyelwana ngamxhelomnye kwakhona ukuba mayihlangulwe Lenkonzo yezophapho.
We would like SAA to remain a robust and successful airline.
Isiqinisekiso esenziwa ngumengameli ngolwesihlanu sokuhlenga iSAA.
iSAA then survive uba ikwazi mayivalwe.
Kodwa ngempela sonto uhlalo we-ANC yena waphikisana neqembu lakhe ngokudayiswa kwale nkampani yezindiza. Umbimbi ke libuye kwacaca ukuthi alihambisani naye.
Our positions have not changed. Despite certain people having different perspectives, our position continues to be the same, that we must do everything within our possibilities to retain the South African Airways.
I-ANC thike nokho ayizomthathela zinyathelo uMantashe njoba ithi iyamkelile incazelo yakhe.
Comrade Gwede Mantashe is part of the National Executive Committee and he has accepted yesterday. Sometimes maybe what you say might be, you may actually put it out of context, and he will actually explain what he actually said.
Umakhashulo uphindwa acacisa ngesimo sempilo salowo engumongameli uJacob Zuma.
I want to wish him a speedy recovery. We know that he's sick, and we will always give the necessary support as the African National Congress.
Leli qembu ke liphinde lagubha iminyaka engamashumi amathathu kwakhululwa uMadiba. Ngingimanqaba mchunu wasindaba ze-SABC eGoli.